This question comes up a lot. How do you take off the silkscreen printing from plastic containers and stuff? This question comes up a lot in prop making. So today I'm just going to make this very easy tutorial video on how to do this. First of all, make sure your plastic is clean. I washed it down to make sure there was nothing on there. And today I'm putting on a pair of rubber gloves, plastic gloves actually, because I'm going to be using fingernail nail polish remover, okay? And this is a very easy technique to remove this. The nail polish remover is a solvent and it will take off basically anything. And I'm working in a very special place today that is very ventilated because nail polish remover is smelly. Okay, so I'm using fingernail polish remover. I'm putting enough on there and just setting it on there. And look at that, it's already coming off. You can't believe how easy this is, the removal system. I have tried scratching these things off, but you will scratch the plastic. And this will leave you with absolutely scratchless or scratched-less plastic. And voila! It is gone.